Alright, the reason why I'm making this video is just to give you a couple of tips on how to use a pressure washer and tips about a pressure washer. This pressure washer here I got for free, and the reason why I got it for free is it was on Facebook Marketplace, and the guy said it's leaking gas and the pump doesn't work on it. And I bought a new carburetor. You buy them on Amazon for under 20 bucks. That's where the gas was leaking from. And I don't know what he was saying about the pump because I've used it for years and it's worked fine. The only thing I can think of is maybe this is what he encountered. One thing you do before you start, take the tip off. To get all the air out of the lines before you start the engine, you want to turn the water on. You need to be sure and turn the water all the way on, as high as it will go. While holding the trigger down. And you'll hear the water and the air start to come out. It's blowing the air out of the lines and out of the hose. Keep it depressed until that becomes a steady stream. Let it run for a pretty good while to make sure that you have all the air out of it. Alright, hopefully we've got all the air out of it now. Put the tip back on. Then when you get ready to start it, if you will depress the trigger, let it be spraying, that takes the pressure off of the pump so that it's easier to pull the rope. One thing is, be sure and always wear proper shoes that are not open-toed. Don't wear flip-flops or sandals or anything like that. Well, you get the message. I learned that the hard way. When you're through pressure washing, if you'll turn the water off, and then always depress the trigger after you turn the water off, and that will relieve the pressure from it. So that way, when you get back here to take your lines off, it's easier to take them off because the pressure is all released off of them. And when you're getting ready to put the pressure washer up, you'll just kind of tilt it back and let the water that's inside of it run out. And then if you'll depress the trigger on the hose, on the wand again, and let the water run out the other end while holding the wand trigger on the wand, get all the water out of the hose. If you don't disconnect the hose, it will keep water in the pump. Then if you put it in your storage area and it freezes, it will damage the pump. So that's a leading cause of damage to a lot of the pumps is from water still being in there and it freezing. No, Melody really didn't cut her toes off. And right now, after a hard day of pressure washing, I'm going to the pool. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up or share it if you know somebody that needs these tips. Thanks for watching. Oh, that's cold!